So it is 8:04 at the airport. About to go to a whole different state to go pick up my dream car.
Approximately 10 hours later.
It's currently 7:30. Finally got in the rental. We in Oklahoma City. About to get a hotel and call it a night. Tomorrow morning, that's when we'll actually be going to see the car. So yeah, this will be it for tonight.
This is nice. Ain't got no roaches in here or nothing. Early the next morning.
It's got some surface rust. But those things are about $800 for one of these freaking tools. You know, for a new one, and I had this one laying around. So I brought it with me. Those fenders are really good. Good fenders. I think I have those pieces of trim for the window at home. I think this is the one that goes here. I think I got this other piece. Okay. I might even have brought it with me. Okay. But the corners, I got a dent, but there's no rust. There's not much rust, so it's in good shape. I've seen a lot worse.
Oh, they all rust right there. Even on my Bel Air is rusted right there.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess I don't know what somebody was doing here, you know, on this floorboard that they cut up.
Yeah.
I thought that instrument panel was in it. I hope I brought an instrument panel. If I didn't bring an instrument panel, I will mail you an instrument panel, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
But see, come here and take a look here. This was an air conditioned car. See the dash?
Oh, yes, sir.
You don't find many of those.
I don't find those at all.
I got another door panel here. No, that's the interior quarter panel over there. This one. These can be fixed, cleaned up and fixed. They got a coating on them. See, it's coating. Come here, let me show you. Right. So how did a young guy like you get old cars?
Honestly, I don't know. Nobody in my family is into cars. I just kind of like cars.
Usually, the young guys that are in cars, their dad was in cars.
My dad was not in the car.
Nope.
That's the craziest part. So I told my parents, you know, for my first car, when I was like about 14, and I started kind of looking around for a car. And I was like, well, I want something like older so I can like learn, because I always liked cars. And so I came across the 64 Bel Air, which is the car I'm working on now.
Yeah.
And I daily drove that throughout high school, and it was unrestored. I had a 65. I just sold it.
This came out here last year. This whole area right over here, I had 16 cars right through there. I had
16?
5 Challengers, 2 Cudas, a Road Runner, a Charger, a couple of Mustangs, Impala SS, 2 or 3 of those little trucks that are sitting over there.
Yeah.
And in 1 year, I sold all 16 of those. This was the last car I had left. You were lucky.
Came just in time.
bring the bucket right over the top here. We don't need to lift it up that far. That's good enough. That's good enough right there.
What?
That's good.
That's good?
Yeah. Okay. Vinyl top car. I don't know where the molding is. I don't know where the vinyl top molding is. I'll have to find that.
Hey, you want to put them fenders on there so we can pull them all at one time, or you want to
Yeah, let's do that. Put the fenders on. And the hood. And how's that hold? I bought that fender just for this car. Good fender.
I was about to say, it looks solid though.
Well, I'll tell you what you can probably do. If you don't find one, you can trade this one.
Yeah, just find somebody that
If you can't find one, I'll get you a fender. Don't worry about it. Hey, Red! Where you going? I wonder. Going up there.
You guys hungry? We're good right now. We just ate. Wait, are you hungry?
I ain't lunch if y'all want some lunch. We'll go up here to a good cafe right up here.
I think.
Billy! Let's go ahead and get out of the way, man.
Tilt it forward a little. Tilt it forward. Fuck it.
Go that way.
No idea.
I'm gonna throw it real slow.
Hold on.
You alright?
Yeah, this
Good now. Hey, you looking on the back wheel over there?
I was about to say my back wheel is like halfway on.
Both tires need to come this way.
What are you talking about? This?
Yeah. There we go. Now this one needs to come this way also, toward me, or toward the.
Hey,
Outside.
we'll be able to move that. Well, we'll be able to move this tractor.
Well, I am on my way to Texas. I don't know if you can see the car right there. I'm leaving Oklahoma. I gotta get out of here because for one, this is a sundown town and I'm too black for this. You ain't about to see me get caught lacking like that. Anyway, so now I got a 7-hour drive to Texas I gotta make. Definitely gonna be quite the drive, but I'm gonna try to do it all at once. So see you guys on the road. All right, so it's been 2 days since I've last recorded, since you know, the video of me putting the car together and trying to get it on the trailer and whatnot. Today is the big day. We drove 7 hours after that, 7 hours straight to get back to Texas. And today is the big day where the car is actually coming here. Car is about 3 hours away as we speak. So yeah, I'm getting pretty excited. I've been trying to buy this car for 9 months already. 9 months I've been waiting to get this car. So like, I'm talking about this specific car. Been waiting 9 months to grab this thing. Been talking to this guy, cool guy, older gentleman. We just kind of couldn't make time. COVID, and everybody knows that I'm in the military, so taking leave was a hassle. Trying to get the car, you know, everything during COVID just kind of made everything a lot slower. But 9 months later, we finally there. So yeah. Hey. Yes, sir.
Keep that hooked up to it.
Keep this hooked up?
Yeah, I'm gonna let. I don't want it to crash into your door back there. Just push it to the ramp now.
Just a little bit.
It'll tighten when you go on down. Okay, now straighten your wheels again.
Alright.
Ready? Say when.
There we go.
Okay, I think we can grab it right
I was
there.
about to say, should be good enough to grab
Yeah,
right
you got a
there.
little chain we can stick
Yeah.
on it?
There's a chain on the end there. You need two. Yeah. Oh, you got.
You just need to barely high enough.
Yeah,
to-
just
High enough
ahead.
to roll off the tailgate and push it out there.
Oh, you good.
You got a stand to put it on?
No, I don't. What I was gonna try to do is buy some mounts and just try to mount it.
Yeah.
So that I'm, you know.
Lame dirt dauber built a nest right in that exhaust.
That should be good right there.
Yeah, just roll it out there.
Try to figure the bed.
Oh, this I gave you this manifold here too, Dwayne.
Oh yes, sir.
I was trying to get as much crap for Dwayne as I could.
I
Right?
see. Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Like I told him, I said, and you know what? I went off and left stuff at home.
So everything is here. Trunk lid is here. I just took that fender off. Seats, engine right there. Right now, all I'm about to do is just clean it out. Step number one. And he also gave me a Sublime Green door for it too, so I'm gonna see if I can try to put that on so I can get the complete look of the car. Man, I'm excited, man. Finally got my dream car. Probably gonna put more wheel studs in this wheel tomorrow. It's only got one stud on it. I ended up breaking off one stud because I didn't know these are left-hand studs. But probably be the end of this video. So just got all my parts sitting everywhere. Didn't show y'all really the inside. Floors are decently solid. Got a couple little rust holes, but they're pretty solid otherwise. Trunk lid's just sitting on there, but this is a real trunk rack, trunk lid right here. And I have a real bumper hitch. It's on here. Sublime Green door, RT hood. That'll be the end of this video because I'm done. I've been recording this thing for like 2 days, not more than 2 days, like almost a week. I got this window up too, but yeah. There's definitely gonna be another part of this video coming up soon. Just like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.